Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment. So guys, one thing about being a celebrity, it is a full-time job. People don't really care how you feel. They don't care whether you want to go home to sleep, whether you are tired or don't want to take any pictures. When they want you at that very same moment, So I was scrolling on Facebook and then I saw this video of Shebeshkt. He was getting harassed by a fan. So basically what he is saying in this video, he was just asking them to please close the door. He wants to leave. So I'm just guessing it was just after his performance. He was begging them, guys, please close the door. I want to leave. But people were just like, no. Where's the guy who was wearing spectacles? He kept saying okay, but never closed the door, And then when Shebeshkt starts beating people and getting mad, they think he is crazy. Hey, wara, he is a bully. The guy is tired, he just wanna go home. That's it, So let me just include the clip so that you guys can hear what Shebeshkt had to say, and also just judge for yourself. Was he rude? Was he supposed to behave like that or what? Please watch the video and leave a comment. From watching this video, I can tell, I think maybe Shebeshkt doesn't have bodyguards to just, be working with him around, because the bodyguards were supposed to be stopping that drama, So I am just guessing, which okay, doesn't have any bodyguards, and it's so sad because you can see the look on his face. He just looks sad, man, and tired also, So he just want to live in peace, but people won't let him live in peace. He is even now trying to threaten them. Do you want me to, beat you up, or are you going to close the door? But I was in game. I want to. One thing about being a celebrity, people think you are just a toy. You don't have any feelings, and I feel for Shebeshkt. I really feel for him, Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and also watch the ads. I will see you on my next one.